I feel science is like magic. It's a huge remedy for solving each and every issue, each and every problem of this planet. Blessing and always a source of delight and satisfaction to be able to visit a CSIR lab. And I can tell you that every time I visit a CSIR lab and see many of these things that are happening there, and especially when I see a lab where I can see so many practical dimensions to the research that is taken place there, and that dimension has actually got translated into action or some sort of a solution science for the people with active involvement of the industry, then it makes the whole event very, very meaningful. That's what is actually happening in CSIR. And wherever you see every research outcome in CSIR has great connect with the people, that has a great potential connect with the people. But wherever the laboratory and its scientists, they are able to actually deliver it to the people. They can proactively use the outcome, connect with the industry, connect with the relevant stakeholder, connect with the society, connect with the relevant ministry, and are able to deliver it to the people. Last year, 2020, there could not be a better example of how the scientific community could rise to the occasion. And on one hand, the medical professionals were trying to treat the patients, but the scientific community was trying to help the cause of the fight against COVID with their scientific mind, with their scientific accomplishments, by trying to develop new kits, by trying to develop new masks, by trying to develop new ventilators, by trying to do all the genome sequencings, all the creation of the biorepositories, development of the vaccine, and repurposing of the drugs. So many things happened within the science ministry, and particularly in CSIR. So much so that we can easily call 2020 as the year of science. I feel science is like magic. It's a huge remedy for solving each and every issue, each and every problem of this planet. CSIR fortunately has had the privilege to be associated with the people and the scientific accomplishments since 1942. It's not a small, time. It's almost next year, it will be 80 years, 80 years of history of CSIR.